is a 2021 Tiffin Motorhome. Class A. Gorgeous. Jeepers H Christmas, this is huge.
Look, it's even got an awning over the front door. It's got slide awnings as well. Wow, that's really fancy. You look pretty comfortable right there.
It actually is surprisingly not. I'm sure it's adjustable.
It's got cute little pebble stairs and the, wow, that feels like real tile. I can't, how'd you even get up there?
I yanked myself.
Oh, wow! Look at this sucker.
It's got a ceiling fan.
Oh my, you kidding?
Oh, I'm absolutely not joking.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. Wow.
Look at that fridge.
This is what $300,000 buys you. Holy sweet Mary Mother of God.
It's even got art in here.
And it's brand new.
It's got marble countertops.
Yeah.
Wow. Regular whirlpool.
Oh, wait.
Wait, I want to see the ceiling fan. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my gosh, look at this.
Uh-huh. Come back for a moment into the kitchen and check out the dishwasher.
The dishwasher? Oh my god, I want a dishwasher. Holy poop.
Oh, this is amazing. Oh, that's useless. Nope. That's where the coffee pot and the ice maker go.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, just look at the size of this bed. It's got normal size dressers in here. It's got a normal looking size bed in here.
Just keep going and look at the bathroom.
Oh, it's got heated shower rods. Or is that heated shower rods?
Sure, why not?
Oh my gosh, what is this? Look at the, oh. Holy moly. Oh, it is plastic.
Yeah.
What's in here? Is there a washer and dryer in here?
Probably. I think you just gotta yank. It's got a safe.
Yep. What is in there? I can't really see. Huh? Cover for the shower?
Yeah.
Wow. How about in here? Oh, it's a slide.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, there's the washer and dryer. Wow.
Got dual vanities.
Oh my gosh.
I think you're totally missed.
Just looking at the huge TV in the bedroom. That's pretty awesome. What did I totally miss?
The 50-some inch TV above the driver's seat.
Oh my gosh. Got little two-person table. Some nice blinds, some storage over the top.
You got power recliners.
Ooh, this table's marble. It's got tile floors. Oh my gosh, what's all this?
I think this is just ventilation and lighting. It just looks pretty. Yeah, it's probably the cheapest thing in here.
I bet you it's got like built-in GPS.
Oh yeah.
We got seats that swivel around so that you could converse with people sitting back here on the couches. Oh my gosh, look at this. Are you sure we can't afford this?
Pretty positive.
Okay, what's that? Oh, neat. Kevin's seeing if he can go find the price.
It doesn't have a price.
I don't think I would like sitting in these recliners and trying to look sideways to watch the TV. You know?
Boo-hoo.
I don't think he's feeling my pain. What's in here? Oh, I didn't even notice that there wasn't a toilet in that bathroom.
Oh.
It's got a shade over the
Of course it does.
sink, toilet.
What?
Is that? Yes, it is. Thank you very much. That would be what, a bidet hose? It's actually got a toilet paper holder in there, which most of them don't anymore. It's got a really neat little curved sink. Another drawer over there. Oh, it's got towel holders built in on the door. This is kind of probably part of the slide that is huge. So I didn't notice that there wasn't a bathroom back here, a toilet back here. No, there is. I'm sorry. There are 2 toilets in this camper.
That was the half bath up front.
This looks like it could possibly be storage right there in the floor.
Maybe. Or a really
What?
poor tile job.
Well, I don't understand why it's got like this like cutout right there. This is.
Maybe the ceiling fan.
Yeah. Doesn't everybody need a ceiling fan in their camper? That does something, I don't know what yet. This is what, the retirement buggy? This is what we would get when we were ready to retire and live in it full time. I mean, come on.
I'll gladly live in this full time with you, baby.
I bet, except for I don't really want to go full time.
I wouldn't miss.
Is that a sleeper sofa for where guests would sleep?
Sure, why not?
I see that it's got seat belts so that people could ride there while we are driving. What's up in there? You can see that there's
Probably
something
a
there.
TV. Oh, it's got plugs and USB.
Wonder if maybe it's a fireplace.
I don't know. There's got to be a remote, something for it. There's a digital keypad on the passenger seat over here. Probably got to control something.
I bet you there's a fireplace in there.
Could be.
Oh, because there's something right there. There's a fancy light.
Is there controls?
It does look like there's controls. Light, main ceiling, accent light, front light.
Oh, TV lift. There's no power, but that's a TV.
Oh. So wait, there's a TV there.
Soundbar.
Ah, a TV there.
And a TV all the way.
And then a
back.
TV in the bedroom, right here across from the bed. Oh my gosh. This is... This is just amazingly beautiful. Like really, you wouldn't have to have a regular... Oh, look at that. It's got slide out drawers for stuff. You wouldn't even have to have a regular house. You could just seriously just live in this. Wow.
It has an induction cooktop.
Wow.
It has pop-up
Power
outlets
Yep.
with USB back there too.
That looks like real tile on the sides there too.
It sure is.
Wow. And then this looks like more than just, it's not just a microwave.
There's a turntable. Oh, there we go. Wow. Yeah, this has got to be like an air fryer type of, what do you call those? Not an air fryer, convection oven, maybe? It's got a metal rack in it, so it can't be microwave.
True. It doesn't have a oven down below, so that probably is your oven.
Yeah.
Because that's the dishwasher. Of course it is.
This is a power unit table that slides out, I'm assuming, because it can't pull. But there's water pump, vent, fan, task, ceiling, main ceiling, entry light, front accents. You can control the lights from everywhere. I don't know how you control. Oh, the buttons are inside. Bit me.
Look at the size of this slide. Is that an awning on there? Sure looks that way. But we'll just, this is the length of the slide here. It's got all this outdoor storage. Look at all that. It's a lot of outdoor storage there. Oh, another TV.
Another TV in the slide.
Outside. Wow. So that's what, 4 TVs now? It's got a ladder on the outside. I didn't see a generator inside, did you?
There's gotta be one out here.
It's probably a generator in one of these
I don't know how
outdoor
to get into
compartments. They're probably locked.
these. No.
Oh, there we go.
That's
Not, what is it?
I don't know.
It's
There's
nothing?
Nothing. There's storage, but it's teeny.
What about that one there?
Oh.
Oh.
Wow, there's the power. Oof. Tank drain, diesel exhaust.
And here's another slide.
Yeah, this is the bedroom. Aqua hot. Oh, there's your outdoor shower.
And water filter.
Yeah.
Paper towel holder already built in on the door there.
These clothes.
Look at the size of its tires.
Black water dome.
Okay.
Wow, that's storage.
Wow, look how huge this is. Oh my gosh. Got the lights. Got extra porcelain tile in case some of it breaks.
All out storage.
Oh, that's nice.
Goes all the way through.
Nice. Bet you it slides both ways.
I would assume it does. Wow, 6 batteries.
Very nice. There's, wow. What's that?
Electronic circuitry. It's gotta be your circuit panel.
I was thinking it was a generator, but no. Is that the door to get in the?
Guess tank.
Oh, okay. all storage under there. Batteries, okay.
More power. There's storage along the way. Some more batteries and some circuit breakers back here. I don't see a generator.
Huh. Wonder if it's got solar, because that looks like pretty complicated. And there was that other power, that other stuff up front. Maybe there's a solar up on the roof. And those batteries were a battery bank. I bet you those stairs are electric. They come down.
Woogie, woogie, woogie.
Oh, woogie, woogie, woogie. Boy, if you're in the market for a Class A, this place is the place to come. There's tons of them, and they're just all so beautiful. Okay. $379,000. He finally found a price tag on one of them.